Introducing the all-new Dave & Matt Vans LV3. Built on the RAM ProMaster 136-inch wheelbase, the LV3 is the most compact and economical lifestyle vehicle in our fleet. Designed with efficiency in mind, the LV3 makes the most of its compact footprint, offering everything you need to live fully off-grid, whether you're in the wild or in the city, in a maneuverable and convenient package. Our fully redesigned vehicle interior maximizes utility, comfort, and style to bring your van life experience to the next level. At 17 feet 9 inches long, with an incredibly tight turning radius, the LV3 fits easily into any parking space and is as easy to drive in a big city as it is in the backroads. The LV3 comes with everything you need and nothing you don't, for a weekend adventure, full-time living, and anything in between.